Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How is everyone? How all the traders are doing? Savitri once again making another very small video, how to become a better trader. Look, we all go through those circumstances in life, like, okay, you almost about to give up. Have that day come like you blew your account and you don't even know what to do next because it's not helping you to earn whatever you're expecting, and someone else is telling you what to do because you have no idea where the market is going. You are just taking someone else's ideas, because this is what used to happen to me. I'm giving my very true experience that if you are learning this skill set, you have to educate yourself in such a way that even though someone else is giving you trade ideas or news is going on or the technical analysis there, but you know when to exit the market, when to enter the market. If you understand that concept, like the right time to exit the market. I will give example, very simple example. What happened to some of my students that they're supposed to exit the market on the time, but they waited so long, and probably sometimes they move the stop loss. If it is making some sense, I believe yes, because if you are a trader, it is making sense, right? If you are the trader and you are taking trade based on your analysis, and also sometimes what happens is, oh my God, you're supposed to be exiting from the market, but you waited too long. You waited too long, hoping and praying that market will bounce back. Suppose it was a bearish market, market changed the trend. It was a small pullback, but you enter the market in that pullback thinking that market is going to go to that direction, but that was just a pullback. Market will always do some correction. So if you understand the concept of how these banks are trading, before placing any trades, this is my personal experience because I have failed many times as well, like you all do. We all do. There is no one in the world or any traders, they are here without losing. I don't want to give you false hope that you will make a lot of money instantly and you'll keep that money. Yeah, 1 week or 2 weeks you'll make amazing amount of money, and maybe a third week, first week, second week was you are so excited. Now probably you increase your lot size. What is going to happen now? Because all the whole 2 weeks of money you managed it, you control your lot size, and when you came to the third week because you're too excited, you thought that this time also you're going to win, but the market has different plan for us, right? Now you increase the lot size and your account is gone. Who is agree with me? I mean, who most of you, this is, I'm talking about my students, because if someone is watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your love and support will help me to create some more content about trading, about how to become a good trader, and especially the consistent trader, consistent profitable trader. Because you can do a lot of analysis, you can focus on the news, which is fundamental analysis. You are also controlling your emotions, which is sentimental analysis. 3 analysis, very important. But you still don't know how to control your money. Then there is no point, because you or we will always be losing the money. If someone told me when I was a beginner in this Forex market, or when I was learning how to trade, it took me a while to even open my real account. I didn't know how to deposit the money. I know you might have gone through this kind of problem if you have contact, okay? Because first thing first, what you need to do, you need to understand that how to use your MetaTrader 4. There is some videos in my channel, please go through that, and probably that video will help you to understand how to use MetaTrader 4. Number 1, technical analysis, sentimental analysis, fundamental analysis come at the middle of your journey. The beginning is how to open your account, how to deposit your fund, and how to control your lot size. Because if you don't know what is lot size, what is going to happen? Probably in a first trade, you're out of the market. Thank you very much. And I realized that there is a way to still compound your money even using a small fund. You don't have to have $10,000 starting account in the Forex market. That is why it is very powerful. That's why you're using the broker to leverage their money so that we can compound our money. But there must be some kind of discipline. I have found something from the market because I'm researching a lot all the time, that what is the best information that we can find from the internet or from the YouTube channel, different YouTube channel. Please, there are so many YouTube channels I would recommend for you, because this is my very, very young channel, and which is still growing, which is helping other people to understand. Probably my accent is different. You guys can understand me. Thank you so much for your love and support. You have to encourage. I mean, your encouragement is so powerful that I always want to continuously create more content like this. Because if you don't know how to control your emotions, basically I told you that if you don't know how to when to exit the market or when to exit from the market, it is going to be a little bit harder to stay in the market. All right, so let's begin. I'll share my screen quickly, give you some ideas that what appears. Which one are you choosing? This is up to you. There's no any kind of compulsory or any more. It's not the law. A disclaimer, I would say every information I'm sharing right now with you, this is only the educational purpose. I'm not the financial advisor, guys. I'm not any what is that called? I am not the one like advise you to invest, where to invest. It's your choice, composite you want to use it. Like how you managing your risk is the most important part. So here, sharing my screen quickly, I found one website. This website is really, really good. Why I found it? Before you're starting to trade, what you have to do is try to see the news. The news helps a lot. Just close this one. All right. Here. So I was checking what is going to happen in gold actually. If you see, because we are somehow okay. Today gold is 57 has 57% is voting for bullish and 43 bearish. We'll see what will happen. This is a monthly, weekly. So you also can find another. This is a news currency pair here. So what I found was this one. Basically, what happened here is in this particular website, you can also, if you want this link, I can, in the description below, you can always use that link because it's fxstreet.com. Okay, fxstreet.com. When you go there, you can see kind of a little bit of what's happening in the world, economy world. Because now, if you are one of the people that would like to enhance your career in this market, which is in Forex market, you want to become a trader, you always want to update yourself according to the news as well. Like what's happening around the world based on the economy, because economic condition is crashing right now, right? Inflation everywhere, the payroll is going down, people are losing money. That is why it's a little bit of information that it helped me so much. Before you place an order, always check. Suppose your fundamental analysis was a different, your technical analysis, it says to buy, but your fundamental is a little slightly different. Than you sentiments will also work a different role in that part, or actually in that part, okay, during that part. So here, a clear downside break is an ascending trend line from 21st, I mean, you can say 21st of July, around 1690 by the press time. Joins Paris, so you can see it's a MACD signal to favor gold sellers, targeting the fresh yearly low, which is it actually happened here. See, I mean, we were hoping a little bit here, maybe happening. All these indicators are actually what they are doing. They are actually saying it is going to sell. What I found was, okay, I'm giving you a very, because before you enter the market, this is all practical example I'm giving you, nothing like verbal or presentation. Go to see the market, check the market, what it is doing. On top of that, you always want to check what is news, because this information may not be 100% true. Again, this is also the fact, okay? This is also the fact. This information may not be true. So go, and this is the analysis. This is a chart. You can see where the, and yeah, this is the moving average 100, moving average 50, 200. So these are the one. So if this is just a live market, it's just sharing. This is a technical overview. within that you can also see. So I have another factory.com. If you want to check that as well, it's very, very good. And also investing.com. So I will show you investing.com. I really found this one very useful as well. You can see this is, I have created the one to check many. I can say that, oh, there will be so many. A very, very good pair. I number one. Why? Because it's like a fast moving and you still can make money if you know what you're doing. So there is a paid version as well. If you don't want the advertisement, you can also have this Investing Pro Plus. There is a fee involved. If you want that, that is also possible. In this one, it is taking you to the other side happening. So you can literally streaming chart what kind of what you also there tick pattern number two information for less risks. We don't have any confirmation according to my analysis. Then what advertisement? Okay, if this is going to you, don't ignore those. Google will always play those pop-ups. So we are in hourly. This is also another way. I mean, just if you are a beginner, because if I knew this early stages, I could have analyzed a little bit. Yes, and news is saying this. Our technical analysis is like that. Our candlestick pattern, which pattern is formed now? See, this pattern right entry point, or whether it may buy for a little while, or whether it will be selling. And based on your lot size, you make money. So early is inspiring. I was about to give the bleeding. I didn't know they were selling mama buy. It was a goal because that's these kids are 2, 3 other phones, but they want mama's phone or daddy's phone, right? That. So this is for family people who are listen for me that if I'm trading, my phone will be with me and I'm not trading from the phone. I'm on empty for a web portal. You can use those brokers website or the platform. Okay, what is happening here? You can see it was 15th. Yes, it actually last night. It was last night. Today is 16th of November. No, sorry, September. Yeah, happened here a little bit of e-golf, a little bit, but still sell. But that's the prediction right now because sell gold is selling for a while. Why? Because of this all crash. How long? Okay, it has to do the correction as well. That's why market is always correcting. Market is always correcting. Even you can see this pictures, dragonfly, doji. If you know a little bit about this, if you know a little bit about this. And secondly, this was actually yesterday. And another one, inverted hammer, bullish reversal. So here we go, reversal always time. This pattern also come, but because of the fundamental news, because of the fundamental analysis, because fundamental has a lot of power. That's what I was. Technical doesn't work all the time. Technical analysis, it works, but it's 50-50, I would believe. Okay, this is my personal experience. So no one has to agree with this, but this is my personal belief that yes, if some news are going on, some economic crisis and some kind of problem is happening around the world, what is going to happen? Analyzing yourself may not go to the direction. That's why sometimes the beginner trader, they don't even know nothing about wrong direction according to the analysis, they still make money. That's the courage. Okay, I'm not saying every time they will win, but sometimes they may win. I don't know how. Leave your comment in the chat below. It will help other traders. So yes, sometimes you still can make money. You don't have to be correct all the time, or you don't have to be right. Know what you're doing means you boom in the market and out of the market, but you do not leave the trade open because the market. When I am not checking my phone and someone else plays, I didn't blow the account, but of course there was a loss. There is no win. Why I'm still doing it? Why? Because I believe if I consistently, I'm compounding. So this is a skill set for life. And another thing I would share with you is what I'm sharing with you is if you are here, it will come and go. Money will never stay in one place. Remember that. That's the characteristic of money. You cannot eat money. Money helps you to, if money is sitting in a bank, if you're not using that money, like become a better version of yourself, become a better person. I mean, do things that is going to help you to enjoy. For me, what I found is if you are the person of life and you are someone always looking for more and more in life because you do not want to follow someone else's instructions. Suppose when you work with someone, what happens? Please do this because you are rostered. That is, your time is already defined. Like from this time to this time, probably you have to be there somewhere. You have to go to work. If you're working from home, it's still from this time to this time. You will be still attending the phone call and or doing some seminar for people. If you're working from, I'm giving some example. If you are the person who is not happy to follow what someone else's instruction and someone else's vision, you create your own vision. So this is your vision. If you are here to learn, if you are here to learn, this is the life skill. You are not only trying to learn to make money, you are also learning to become the best version of yourself. Okay, so hopefully that is a good lesson for every single person. Understand when to exit the market, understand when to enter the market, because before entering the market, do some research about news, do some research about what's happening around, or there is some news coming or not. There are some websites, there are so many websites. I've already have told you. Investing.com is what I found really, really interesting. It's a paid version as well. If you don't want to pay, it's okay. There is a free version where you have to deal with a lot of advertisement, which is totally fine. Another one is Forex factory. Yes, I can open that for you. Do research on that. Okay, once you have this news time, can you imagine here what is going to happen? So sometimes this news, you can always read this information like census bureaus with the latest release, change in the total value of the sale at the retail level, excluding automobiles. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Like, is it good? Good means if the currency is stronger, what happens? If USD is stronger, our gold will go, always down. If currency is a USD, our index, I also can share that. I think you already know that currency index, USD currency index we're talking about, dollar index, which is called dollar index. When it powerful, what happens? Our gold goes down. When it is weaker, the gold goes up. So that's how we relate to this kind of news. So we can, this is just a forecast, and sometimes even this fear economy is there, news is there. If we are not following, yeah, a little bit of trouble. I have seen some people, they blown their account during the news because they didn't know there was a news retail sales. This was the one, I think, if you remember, when, no, it was Tuesday night, I believe Tuesday night. Yes, it was on Tuesday night or Monday night, I can't remember, but yes, how badly the market was moving. I can share you what I'm talking about. And this movement, if you see that this movement here, this one, okay, excuse me, this is the movement. This is all because of the news. This is all because of the news. And now, yeah, market is just in this area, juggling around where to go. But still, if you are a scalper, because I'm a scalper, I'll tell you, look, scalping helped me a lot to make money than swing trade. I can't wait to hit the TP. That's my, in passion, right? So everyone has different characteristics, and some people, they can wait, they leave the trade, they do analysis for a whole month, and then they leave probably 3-4 trades, and then what happens? They still make money. They still make not only money for living, they also make money for fortune. Almost for everything they can. They have a lot of money to provide to charity, because one thing, realize that. That's what I realized. If you have enough for yourself, then only you can give to someone else. That is why there is nothing wrong to willing to or wishing to have more in your life, because that is what God has given to you. The desire that you have to earn more money from the forex market. It doesn't really matter whatever you're doing. You're investing in different cryptos and whatever. Yes, it's okay, because you deserve more. Willing to, wishing to have more in your life, it's good. It's good. Never feel bad on yourself that you want to earn more, because you don't want to work for someone else until you die, right? That's why you're also here. Okay, so I believe everything is making sense. This was the moment I also share, like, even though market was about to buy here, what happened? Boom! It actually happened within a few seconds. Within a few seconds. So that is why we always be careful when we are checking this news and everything. It will also impact the movement of the market, even though all the indicators are right, they are telling us to buy, but may not go to the direction because of this news. Okay, so yes, take a lesson from the today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching this video call. What I'm going to share with you is, if you are someone who is always willing to do more in your life, then learn this skill set. This skill set will change your life. But yes, there will be some losses. Take those losses, but in the long term, all you are focusing on high profitable trade, only high profitable trade, and do not leave those trade overnight. You may leave it if you're certain about it, but we never know. Market will never do it. And one thing I realized that my students, and sometimes myself, I'll say, moving to stop up, stop loss more than the risks. You are like, you're taking more risks for a small reward. That is not worth it. It doesn't worth it. That's it. Close the market. Don't worry about anything. New fresh start, because you can make losing trade on hold, or moving the stop loss even lower or higher, whatever. Okay, so I love you all. Thank you so much for loving. I think I saw some comments. Thank you so much for your love, because I saw, thank you so much. I can't remember the name, but I still, it's my mind that I love you, ma'am. Okay, so thank you so much for your love, because I felt that, and keep learning. Now I probably time to trade in a real trade for you as well. And I wish you good luck, and keep learning, keep pushing yourself, because never give up. Today is Friday, and what you're going to do is, you are going to start a new week with a new beginning, new energy. So look, God has given you everything. God is within you, and believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you can conquer this skill set. Yes, it is possible. Yes, every single trader around the world, millions of, because of 1 or 2 losses, you should not be in demo account. If you can, if you demo account, and then finally enjoy the profit. I'll see you in the next